Let's take a look at some of these knives together. We'll begin with the paring knife. The paring knife is a smaller knife that is useful for more precise cutting of smaller foods. It's excellent for detailed cutting and scoring. You can also use it to peel vegetables. Next, we have the basic chef's knife. It has a heavier weight with a thicker base. It curves upward to form a tip at the end, and it comes in 6-inch to 12-inch varieties. The 10-inch variety is the most common. Next, we have the Japanese knife, also known as the santoku knife. It is a lighter weight with a thinner blade. It also has scallops on the blade for more precise slicing and also prevents the food from sticking. Next, we have the serrated knife. A serrated knife is excellent for slicing breads or thin-skinned vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes. Lastly, we have the larger chef's knife, which is best for slicing meats, dicing vegetables, and chopping nuts. Be sure to hold the handle and grip the blade. Do not hold your knife this way. Holding your knife properly by gripping the handle and pinching the base of the blade is best. Be sure your grip on the handle is not too far down.